Isn't this beautiful? Just beautiful. God's creation. Trees, grass, a garden. Wouldn't you like our earth to stay this way? I'd like to talk to you about the Green New Deal. This is the Green New Deal. No gas, no carbon going into the atmosphere. Good exercise. Yeah, we call this the Green New Deal. Think about it.